It's really you on my mind. It's really you on my mind. It's really you. It's really you on my mind.
I'm back. 7:15 a.m. And guess what's tomorrow? School. I don't know how to feel like. First of all, I'm tired. Y'all, I've had clients for 5 days straight. I have not left my shop in 5 days. Yesterday was the first time I ate. I started feeling like by the time it was time for me to eat, I was ready to throw up. Like, I don't know. Literally when I ate that food last night, I was finna throw up. Like, oh my god. But y'all, oh my god, I look so ugly right now. But it's okay, because guess what? This is a maintenance vlog. Majority of this maintenance I do myself because I'm a nail tech. I can do my own nails, my own toes. If I was a good YouTuber and I actually put out that video last year, y'all would have known that when I got my lashes done, they like puffed my eyes up really bad. Like my eyes were like, my eyes are already like very sensitive. Like clearly I just went to sleep and look how puffy my eyes are. Like those are so freaking cute. But baby, literally it was burning so bad the whole time she was doing my lashes. Like I was fighting for my life. Like I don't ever want to go through that. Then she kept playing trap music. Like I'm already going through a lot. You're hearing freaking trap music. Do like a light count. Like how many times do I say like like I just can't stop saying it. Like oh my gosh, that's bad. Like super cute. I don't know if this is gonna focus. The lashes was really cute. Ended up like this. It was bad. I'm about to do my lashes before I go do my nails, because if I don't do my lashes now, I'm never gonna do them. To like brush my teeth, wash my face and stuff, and then I'm gonna start doing my lashes. It's made y'all back when like I'm back. Alright y'all, I just finished. I did 2 layers on.
You so sassy.
Yeah, that's my boyfriend. I should put you in the camera all that. But my lashes, I ain't gonna lie, I took way longer than I should have. Like that's crazy. I was gonna do some bottoms, but I already barely got time to do my nails. So, and I took a long time, and I gotta do both hands and my toes, so I need to hurry up. But I'm gonna go out there and do my nails. But yeah, my lashes are cute. I need to do my eyebrows next, but I might do that when I get home tonight. So I'm gonna hit y'all when I'm doing my nails. Alright y'all, I'm in my shed. I'm about to start my nails. Look at these things. Bad. So it's 8:58. I'm gonna come back when I'm done with my application. Bye. Alright y'all, I just finished my application on both hands. I did like that little I forgot what kind of cut it's called, but I like this on my nails. But I didn't do it on this hand because it's harder to do it on this hand. But what is this cut called? Moon cut. I did moon cut on this hand, and then see my thumb. But then this one I just left it straight because this hand is so much harder to do, and I'm not doing all that. So this one I'm just. But I look so oily. But I'm about to go ahead and thaw these nails. And then I'm gonna start the nail arts. Alright y'all, so I finished one hand, but I'm gonna come back and do the other one. This one looks bad, like oh my god. But these are so freaking cute, ain't it? So cute. But I gotta go get my hair done. Okay, I gotta hurry up and get dressed, but get into the nails. But let me hurry up and go because it's already 1 o'clock. Okay, now I'm pumped for this hair appointment because my boyfriend just got his haircut. He think he's all that in a bag of chips. Baby, all I know, this is what it's supposed to give. Y'all ready? Like this is what they have for you. But I may have more braids than her. But the girl that's doing my hair, she said it depends on how big my head is, and I have a big head, so I'm sure I'm gonna have a lot of braids. But barely heard that. What? Oh, you heard me talking?
I heard magnificent.
Oh.
And that's when I looked at the camera.
Girl, she just thinks she all that.
magnificent, so I just knew it was me.
But oh my god, I hope she don't take long on my hair. I do not like sitting, like my butt already hurting because I know I'm gonna be sitting. But maybe she don't take that long because she just texted me at 10 a.m. and told me that I could come at 1:30 because her client came late and she already done and it's 1 something. So I know she finna knock me out. Oh, I know her. Oh. My tongue was so white. I'm not. Can you look at her?
Face out the camera.
Oh, you look cute. She's so aggravating. Do she look like me, y'all? Move your hand. Do she look like me? No, she don't look like me. Let me see. She look like me.
Lips on clips like Mike. It's really on. See both sides like she love. See on both sides like she love.
Oh my god, I look like my dad. My camera foggy. Look like a freaking boy. But it's cute. My hair is so big. This makes my hair look so round now. But my braids are like long. They got boho. I'm finna add the beads though. I'm not like the only person that like hates when I get my braids dipped. Like it just that's one of the reasons why I hate getting braids, because I don't like the dipping process. Like I would like the whole process, everything be cool. Or no. When they put that cold gel on my scalp, I started to lose my mind. Like, oh, especially not really so much like in the middle, like anywhere else, but the back of my neck, I be wanting to get out the chair, bro. Like I hate when it be like gel on the back of my neck, but the braids definitely gotta marinate. I hate when I have like, when I get a hairstyle, any hairstyle I get gotta marinate. I'm sorry, like it never looks good the exact moment you get it done. Like this is very cute, it's neat, but I just can't wait till it marinate. But grandma, do you know how to add beads to hair?
Huh?
You know how to add beads to hair?
Add beats.
Beads.
No, not really.
I do.
Do you really?
Yeah, I do.
You know how to make them stay?
Yeah.
Do y'all believe
Nobody
her?
knows how to do it.
Yeah, that's gonna be my next resort.
I look dark.
You been to the beach.
No, you're going in the vlog. Oh my god, I look like a man. So yeah, these braids gotta marinate. Ooh, I need to finish my nails. I might just do my toes after school tomorrow, I ain't gonna lie.
Dang, that's
It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I gotta go to school and wait, hold on, wait, let me route. Wait, hold on. Okay, it's 7 p.m. Sunday. It's 95 degrees. I gotta go to school and I gotta get my degree. Ooh. Why are you hating? You're hating because I know how to rap.
You finna put that in.
Look at this shirt. Why my grandma just volunteering me to buy stuff? I'm coming in here to get. I don't even know. Y'all, we in Walgreens and I'm looking for press-ons for my toes because I'm not gonna have time to do my toes. I'm just gonna have, and it don't look like they got none.
what's the plan for you?
Cause I wanted to do my toes.
So then do them after school tomorrow so you can actually put acrylic instead of
out here. But it looks like I'm gonna have, and rubber bands, so I can put these beads in my hair. Looks like I'm gonna have to do my toes tomorrow after school.
it's gonna take too long.
No, I wanted to do my toes.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So
but not tomorrow. Cause this is a maintenance vlog. I'm supposed to get all the maintenance done in this vlog, but stuff can't never go right. Let's clean this stuff over here, so let's look for it. My grandma want me to get some Kleenex. I don't even know what that is. What is that, napkins? All right, y'all, I'm about to finish my nails because all I did was put French tip on this hand, but I finished this. So I'm about to finish real quick, and I'm gonna come back when this hand is done. And hopefully I can get some rubber bands so I can add these beads to my hair. Y'all, I got so much school stuff, and I've been at my grandma's house the whole summer, so like all my stuff is just like racked up, and my daddy shouldn't be mad because I gotta put all that in the car and go home. But isn't my hair so cute, right? Alright, y'all, I just finished my nails. Real cute, period. Get into it. I look like a peanut, but I'm about to get out of here because I have to pee really, really bad, and I'm hungry, so I need to get out of here. But I did my nails in like 15 minutes. Like, stop playing with me. Anyway, Oh my gosh, like what? I'm tired, I'm hungry, I gotta pee, it's a lot going on. Yeah. It is 6:52. School in the morning. I'm in my grandma room though, but I'm about to pluck my eyebrows because I don't have my eyebrow razor. I think it's at home, but I don't want to wait till home because I'm gonna forget. So I might as well do it now. All right, y'all. Taylor finna put some beads on my hair because she swears she know how to do it. So we finna see.
Where the beads?
All right. Wait, get them.
We finna see.
We finna see.
Do like brown, white, and then beige. Brown, white, and beige. Or mix it, however you want to do it.
All right, y'all. So she gave up because she don't know how to do it, and I ended up having to do it myself. But
You know you can
we're
probably
almost done
cut
with this
those
side.
if you gonna leave them on for like
cut what?
cut them little long pieces.
I'm not cutting that.
Sorry.
I'm almost done. I look so cute. Y'all, I'm finna do her some lash clusters because she insists. But she getting little tiny inner corner pieces on. I'll probably come back on her when I'm done, and then I'm gonna show y'all me doing her lash clusters because we don't got nothing else to do. All right, y'all. I got the beads in my head. Don't play. Real cute. I'm looking like a Hawaiian. Real cute. Now I'm finna do my sister lashes, so be right back. Alright, y'all, lash technique is in town. We're about to beautify this young lady. I'm about to put some lashes on her. Killing it lashes. Say hey to the vlog.
Yep.
And then y'all, I'm gonna do me some henna after. I don't even remember the last time I picked up the camera, but I made it home. I'm actually about to like get my stuff set out so I can just start picking stuff in the morning. I think I'm gonna take my Stanley to school, so I need to watch that tonight before I go to bed. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna pack my book bag. Then after that, I'm gonna end this vlog off because I gotta start another one in the morning. This is my little Sear backpack. He keep talking about my book bag, but my Super Mario book bag is so cute. This is my favorite character right here. But it's not that big, but who cares? Cause I got my other little binder. It's so cute. Look at that. Really, really cute. I'm surprised my camera ain't died all day. Like, what a trooper. And I got my notebook. I'm gonna rip this off. 3 subject notebooks because I filled my pencil pouch up. So yeah. And I got my post-it notes. Alright, y'all. So I got all my book stuff packed. I got my little stuff in here too, and my little pencil pouch is so cute. But that's it. So I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for bed so I can start another vlog in the morning. I'm gonna do my first day of school, get ready with me for senior year. And I'm about to end this vlog because it was nice knowing you. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more because there's definitely more coming. And thank you. Bye.